Hello class, welcome to Peniel Learning Center YouTube channel. This is Teacher Cherie, and for today class, we are going to learn about your alphabet. Okay, yes, that's right. And for today class, we are going to learn about your letter E. Yes, that's right. Now class, this is letter E, okay? Now let's continue class to the next one. Now letter E says eh, eh, eh. Okay, let's say it together. Eh, eh, eh. Oh, let's say it again. Eh, eh, eh. Okay, yes, that's right. Good job. Now here, let's say it together. Elephant. Eh, eh, elephant. Oh, yes, that's right. Very good. Now let's say it together. Eh, eh, elephant. Oh, you did very well. Now let's say it together. Elephant. Okay, good job. Now let's continue to the second one. Oh, look class, it's an eagle. Let's say it together. E, E, eagle. Let's say it together. E, E, eagle. Oh yes, that's perfect. Now let's say it together. Eagle. Oh yes, that's right. Now let's continue to the third one. Oh look class, this is an eel. Let's say it together. E, E, eel. Let's say it. E, E, eel. Okay, yes, that's right. Let's say it together. Eel. Okay, good job. Now let's continue to the next one. Oh, class, remember, all those words begin with letter E, okay? Now let's say it together. Ear. E, E, ear. Okay, good job. Now let's say it together. Egg. Egg. Very good. Egg. Okay, good job. Now let's continue to the next one. Oh, eat. Very good. Let's say it together. Eat. Okay, very good. Now let's say it together. Ear. Very good. Ear. That's right. Egg. Okay, very good. And how about the next one? Eat. Oh yes, that's perfect. Now let's continue to the next one. Now class, for today we are also going to learn how to write your letter E. Now let's start on your uppercase E. Now first, let's make a straight line from the top to bottom. 1. Okay, very good. Now let's say it. 1. Very good. Now let's write a straight line out to the side. Okay, very good. 2. Very good. Now let's go to the middle part and let's write a straight line out to the side again. 3. Very good. And let's go to the bottom and let's write a straight line out to the side. Okay, yes, that's right. Now let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good job. Now let's try to write your lowercase e. Now first class, let's make a curved line from your middle to the bottom. Let's try. 1. Okay, yes, that's right. 1. Okay, that's perfect. And let's write a straight line to the side. Let's try it. 2, 2. Very good. Now let's try it together. 1, 2. Okay, yes, that's perfect. Good job. Oh, class, for today, you did a very good job in writing and learning your letter E. And are you excited for our next class? Oh, yes, me too. Now class, don't forget our next lesson would be letter F. Okay? Are you excited? Yes, me too. Now, you did very well. Now, class, don't forget to like our Facebook channel, Peniel Learning Center, and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, Peniel Learning Center YouTube channel, okay? See you again, class. Bye!